You make your bed, now you have to sleep in it. And this is a very manly topic and also can relate to women. I think a lot of people have to start owning up to their decisions. It's not about what you believe in. It's not about what matters. It's about what the consequences are of that decision, okay? Financially, mentally, relationships, we have to start owning up to our shit. That is why there is so much turmoil in the world. There's so many kids my age who still have their parents paying for their shit. There's just so much unaccountability in our world. And it astonishes me how people make these claims like, I'm going to be successful. I'm going to do this. The 1% is the 1% for a reason. Stop letting people hold your shit for you. This is your shit. You have to deal with it like a man, okay? You make decisions. You buy something. You sign something. You have to own up to it. And that is how you build true trust with people, and you boost your credibility because people know that you stay to your word. And in the business world, that is very hard to come by because, like I've said before on other videos, phone sale objections. I'll get back to you. I got to do this. I got to do that. Let me think about this. Give me your word. Are you a man of your word? Are you going to do what you say? And are you going to own up to your consequences? I'm just really tired of people being soft. And you want to make this amount of money and you want to live this kind of lifestyle, but you can't own up to simple decisions that are going to put you in the right place, but you're too scared to make them because your parents, your friends have been making decisions for you, have been making decisions for you your entire life. It's time to step out of the comfort zone, own up to your shit, and start being an adult, okay? I'm just so astonished. This is something that I could rant about all day, but when people complain about why things don't go their way, it's usually because they made a dumb decision that they really didn't make on their own because they asked somebody else what they should do. You are your own person. You make your own decisions. You sign what you got to sign. And if you make your bed, you got to sleep in it. Stop trying to get out of things. Stop trying to escape. Right now, I'm trying to get out of my lease because I got to move to Tampa. Am I going to run away and not pay the landlord? No, because I'm a grown-ass man and I got to pay that money. I signed that lease and that is up to me to fulfill that. Or I find somebody else to move in. I don't just run away because I've seen people do that before, and that is so fucked up on so many terms. If you do something or you say something, then do it. You're going to get more results. You're going to feel better about yourself that you're not sneaking around like a snake. And you're going to get what you want out of life because what decisions you make, you now have to deal with, which means you have to account for what you just did. You have to adapt to the new scenario that you just put yourself in. And you will be more successful if you do this. If you spend your whole life taking other people's advice that are not doing what you're trying to do or have not done what you are trying to do, or you're having people make choices for you that you know you should be making, or you're making choices and running away, you are not the one who's getting away with it because it will come back to you. Karma is a bitch.